Welcome to EnglishSpeakEz, the show that helps learners build their English skills with confidence and enthusiasm. I'm Joey, and I'm here to support you in developing more natural English abilities one step at a time, consistently every day. I'll maintain a steady, clear pace so you can easily follow along and practice with me. In this episode, we'll explore something fundamental yet transformative, establishing a daily English practice routine. Regardless of your hectic schedule, feelings of hesitation, or living outside English-speaking regions, many believe they must relocate to places like Britain or the United States for English mastery. This belief is incorrect. Residing in Manchester isn't necessary. Having native speakers constantly available isn't required. Studying for extensive periods each evening isn't mandatory. What you require are consistent strategic actions. Actions that are simple to repeat. Actions that blend into your everyday routine. Actions that increase your comfort, fluency, and self-assurance when using English. Let's start. Let's begin with this essential question. What does shadowing involve? You might be familiar with this term already, or perhaps it's entirely new. Shadowing ranks among the most effective methods for developing speaking and listening skills simultaneously. It's uncomplicated yet remarkably effective. The process works like this. You hear English being spoken, such as my voice now, and you attempt to duplicate it exactly. You maintain continuous flow. You avoid translating mentally. You don't consult reference materials. You simply mirror the sounds like an echo. You aim to speak at matching speed, with similar tone and identical rhythm as the original speaker. Let's practice together. I'll provide a sentence, then you echo it. I desire to communicate in English with fluency. Please repeat now. I hear English content each day. Your turn to repeat. Shadowing techniques improve my speaking abilities. Repeat this now. Excellent. That demonstrates shadowing perfectly. Initially, this may seem somewhat odd. You might not comprehend every word you hear. This is acceptable. Shadowing focuses not on understanding each individual word, but on training your mind and mouth to coordinate effectively in English. This practice familiarizes you with English sounds, rhythm patterns, and the physical sensation of English pronunciation. With consistent practice, even brief 5-minute sessions daily, you'll begin speaking more rapidly, with greater clarity and increased naturalness. It represents a minor habit producing major improvements. Now let's examine our primary topic, how to engage in English practice every single day. Numerous students expressed to me, Joey, I have the desire to learn, but time is limited. My life stays constantly busy. Speaking creates nervousness. I'm unsure how to begin. My consistent response is, extensive time isn't necessary. Perfect grammar isn't required. Waiting for ideal circumstances isn't needed. You simply must commence. Here are 5 straightforward and effective approaches to practice English daily within your actual life, wherever your location. Method 1. Consume English audio content daily. This represents the most crucial step. For improved speaking, increased daily listening is essential. Not weekly, not exclusively during classes, every single day. Listening develops vocabulary knowledge. It exposes you to genuine English rhythm patterns. It conditions your ears for faster comprehension and familiarizes you with authentic speech patterns beyond textbook language. Implementation methods include English podcasts like this program, English music listening, YouTube video consumption, brief stories, or learner-focused English news. Complete understanding isn't necessary. Simply allow the sounds to reach your ears. Even 30% or 50% comprehension remains valuable. Listen during walking, cleaning, cooking, exercising, or resting periods. Just 10 to 15 minutes daily creates meaningful differences. Make English your ambient audio. Method 2. Echo what you hear. After establishing listening habits, engage your speaking voice. Listening provides excellent foundation, but vocal practice develops strength. Following a sentence or short audio portion, repeat it back. Copy the speaker's voice. Match their rhythm precisely. Example: I want to improve my English abilities. Repeat this. I don't understand everything completely, but I continue practicing. Repeat this phrase. I'm developing step by step. Repeat again. Maintain this daily practice. Rehearse identical sentences repeatedly. You'll notice smoother speech development, clearer pronunciation emerges, confidence increases. Remember, perfection isn't the target. Practice consistency matters. Method 3. Think using English, one idea at a time. This creates one of the most significant transformations available. Start thinking directly in English. Initially, this proves difficult. Translation from your first language feels natural, but translation consumes time and creates delays. How do we begin English thinking? Start with short basic sentences. Think them silently. Morning thoughts. It's morning time. I feel sleepy still. Coffee is needed. Outside observations. The sky appears blue. The air feels cold. I notice a dog. Daily thoughts. I'm working now. Tiredness is present. Home sounds appealing. These represent small thoughts, helping your brain connect directly with English. No translation required. No delays created. Later, speak these thoughts aloud. Whisper quietly or speak softly. It resembles daily English conversations with yourself. Method 4. Read with your voice. Exercise your speaking muscles. Silent reading provides benefits, but vocal reading offers superior results. It coordinates your mouth, tongue, and brain together. Choose short, simple texts, children's books, beginner English stories, dialogue from videos or podcasts. Read slowly and clearly initially, then read slightly faster. Next, read with increased expression. Imagine being an actor performing. This develops pronunciation, fluency, and confidence. It's like gym training for your speaking muscles. Method 5. Apply English in your everyday life. Something very important to understand. If English proficiency is your goal, you shouldn't only study English, you should live with English integrated. My meaning? English shouldn't remain something you do for 30 minutes on Monday evenings only. It shouldn't happen exclusively in classrooms or study books. It should integrate into your genuine everyday experiences, like your morning coffee or preferred application. Greater exposure to English, seeing, hearing, and using it in your life, increases its natural feel. Easy implementation methods for busy schedules. First, switch your phone language to English. Daily phone interactions probably number 50 to 100 times. Why not utilize this time for learning? Changing your phone's language to English means seeing English words each time you use it. You'll learn vocabulary like settings, airplane mode, brightness, update, available, delete, download. No studying required. You see these words repeatedly until your brain remembers naturally. This is passive learning, and it's very beneficial. Second, write brief English diary entries daily. Long essays aren't necessary. Write 3 short sentences about your day. Examples: today I attended work. Extreme tiredness was felt. 2 coffee cups were consumed. Morning rain occurred. I remained home. I viewed an English video. This provides excellent practice for basic sentence construction and real-life vocabulary usage. 5 minutes nightly yields more improvement than expected. Use a small notebook or your phone. You could write to English learning friends for mutual practice. Third, record 1-minute daily voice messages. This ranks among my favorite recommendations. At day's end, use your phone for self-recording. Speak for 1 minute about your day, plans, feelings, or learned information. Example: today brought busyness. A morning meeting occurred. Lunch preparation for my family happened. Evening English video watching took place. Mistakes are acceptable. No one else requires hearing this. It's exclusively for you. Self-listening provides learning opportunities. You hear your pronunciation and grammar patterns, notice common mistakes, and can correct them subsequently. This builds confidence, fluency, and self-awareness. Fourth, participate in online English-speaking groups. Classroom waiting isn't necessary. Find other English learners online. Join WhatsApp groups, Telegram channels, websites like Tandem, or Facebook English learner groups. Write short messages, send voice notes, ask and answer questions. Reading other learners' writing also helps. This makes English feel alive, a connection method, not just academic subject matter. Fifth, watch short videos and repeat sentences. TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts contain numerous short, simple English videos. Choose travel, food, daily life, or funny content, anything appealing. Watch identical videos 2 to 3 times. Pause and repeat heard sentences. Copy their voice, speaking method, tone, and speed. Even 20-second videos provide value. It's an enjoyable, easy method for learning real English usage. Using English in daily life isn't difficult. Minimal time is required. No teacher is necessary. The secret: convert small daily actions into English practice. Instead of native language good morning, say good morning. Instead of mother tongue to-do lists, try English. Instead of 5 minutes of native language TV, watch 5 minutes in English. These small actions create strong habits, and strong habits produce confident English speakers. Remember, make English part of your life. Let it exist in your phone, journal, thoughts, and voice. Let it become part of your identity, not just study material. When you do this, English won't feel like homework. It will feel like something you live with naturally. That's when real fluency begins. Thanks for joining EnglishSpeakEz today. See you next time.